If you're experiencing login failures on Medicare.gov, follow these straightforward steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos, and remember that passwords are case sensitive. Step 2. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password, use the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password via your registered email or phone number. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use iStroke to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any ad blockers or privacy extensions and attempt to log in once more. Step 5. Contact support. If you still cannot log in after trying the above steps, reach out to Medicare.gov customer support for assistance. They can help troubleshoot further and resolve any account-specific issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix login failures on Medicare.gov. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.